So I like this question. I really like this question. And I like it because it looks like an opposite in meaning question, but it actually tests your understanding of context more than antonyms. When we speak of context, context is a powerful skill in comprehension, if not the most important. And so for students that I teach privately or personally, I don't approach comprehension like it's another section of your exam. I don't do that. I am usually very detailed, and I am a strong advocate for educational reform, especially changing the way your exams are set. So when I see questions that test your understanding of context, implied meaning, inference, writer's tone, writer's attitude, and all of that, I am usually drawn to them. I mean, this cannot be compared to IGCSE in any way, but it's not bad. So enough of the yapping. Let me know what your answer is. So the keyword here is famous, and famous is to be well known. So if you are not well known, then you are unknown, right? You are not familiar, you're not recognized, you're anonymous. So these are the direct opposites. Now, if you memorize for your synonyms and antonyms, this question might just come as a surprise because these words are not in your options, right? But we can do something. Right? Famous artist is a good or positive thing. It has a positive meaning. It has to do with a good reputation, right? So we can easily eliminate option A and B because these are also positive words. They have positive meaning, right? So we are left with C, D, and E. Now, to be famous means to be well known for a good thing. And like I said, is in the context of a good reputation. So we need a word that would describe a bad reputation, and that is notorious. Notorious is to be well known for a bad thing, and we speak of notorious criminal, So notorious is the answer to this question. We can't use wicked because wicked is used in the context of morality. So if we had is a good artist or is a kind artist, then we can think of wicked because it is in the context of what? Morality, right? Option E, hostile. It is used in the context of attitude or behavior. So final answer to this question is option C, notorious, because it is in the context of reputation.